Hey guys! So today I'm taking you to Scenic in Poland and we're gonna do a little hike today. So we are here right now. We just got here. We're gonna have some lunch first and then I'm gonna show you around these beautiful places and restaurants. As you can see, the architecture is so beautiful. Look at the traditional buildings. This one, that one there. So nice. You see the woods. And my dad is here, of course, the famous traveler. So yeah, let's go and explore, guys. Let's go. So guys, today we're gonna do lots of fun stuff like activities. Now we're gonna have our lunch, like I said before, but I just wanted to show you this architecture. You can see here, super nice. And over there, and then we're gonna have this like the cable cars we're gonna take up, and it's gonna be super fun. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy discovering Scenic with me. We like to do bicycle riding here, so it's part of the experience. So if you're good at cycling, you're gonna enjoy it so much. And this is a Mexican restaurant in Poland, so let's see. It's already a Mexican Polish restaurant. Hola! So you guys, we are, guess where we are? Is it Mexico? Is it Arizona? Is it Panama? Is it Costa Rica? No, it's Poland. We are in Scenic today. And look at this restaurant. So we're gonna have our Mexican lunch today with the palm tree. See? No need to go anywhere. So let's try what there is in the menu here. Ale, ale. How to say in Mexican? Let's go in Mexican.
Vámonos? I don't know.
Vámonos! Let's go.
Dora.
Okay.
It's okay. So good. We have our fajitas here. Chicken with some meat mix. We have some yummy salsa here. It smells so good. I'm excited to try it.
And we have the vegetarian quesadillas here, yummy with cheese and veggies, rice, and my favorite salsa, guac, bean sauce, and sour cream.
Yummy. It looks so good.
So guys, we finally made it to in English?
The carts or
The lift. The lift, yeah, the lift in American English, but in Polish it's called the wyciąg. And basically from here you buy your ticket. I will check how much exactly. And you have two choices. You can go all the way up or you can go halfway and hike. So I think we're gonna go halfway with the lift and then we're gonna hike up. And then we're gonna probably go back with the lift because I don't like walking down and hurts my foot. I prefer walking up. So this is one of the activities you can do and it's not expensive. You can take a loved one and your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or your family, and this is a beautiful, affordable day you can spend here in Poland, and you enjoy. I'm gonna let you know about the prices now and how long it takes. We are already on the way. This is the ticket. It's about 20 zlotys, so 5 euros per person. It's your first time here?
Yeah, my first time. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Look at the house.
I think it's my first time on a ski lift too.
Really?
I have one going, yeah. We have to go skiing in the winter.
So relaxing. As soon as I hear the birds, I just want to be relaxed. We're gonna walk down after here. If you guys are looking for a nice, relaxing holiday on budget with your family, you can choose to come here. It's Poland. It's so beautiful and relaxing, and the food is amazing. The views look, someone is doing parachuting there. And this place is equally beautiful in winter and summer. And in winter, you can actually go all the way up and ski. And there's a cute place down there where you can have your hot wine, Mühle, and hot tea, winter tea with ginger, cinnamon, and clove, and just such a vibe. And look at this cottage here down there. It's so beautiful. Yeah, and what I especially like about nature holidays that you get to really relax with your family and breathe some fresh air. You can feel the altitude already going up. It's like the lift in Miami, the elevator. Yeah, so nice. We're halfway done. Made it halfway. Left the horses here. Cute horses. There's a tiny one there too. And there's like a little restaurant over there. So you guys, for those of you who don't know, my Chinese sign is horse. So this is my horse, see? And look at the tiny one. Cute. So we're halfway on our hike right now, and it's like a little restaurant that just opened, and you can have your beer, dumplings, soups, coffee, and grilled dishes. So super nice here, and I think we're gonna do a little. Look at this horse! Wow, it's a pony. Why is he doing this? Maybe it's itchy. Anyway, now we're gonna. Wow. Yeah, I think it's itchy. So now we're gonna go try to burn some calories and go up a bit.
Bye.
Bye. These people, they are rich.
This one?
He wanted just for the carrots, the
Ah.
tip for the carrot.
Yeah.
I gave him apples.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. So, yes, we are not even halfway there. So, let's go.
Dubai 100 years after the big rain.
And then I do the jump. The shoes?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel not to miss any travel vlogs. And I hope you enjoyed our adventure today in Scenic and you are interested to visit it yourself, and I hope you have fun. Let me know, you guys, in the comment down below if you've ever been to Poland and if you ever want to come over. This is another beautiful area here. So, yay! Time for a hike right now.